Hello, my name is Karan Doshi and I have been a fund manager with LIC Mutual Fund. I have been associated with LIC Mutual Fund since 2019. Out here, I've got a privilege to manage a few of the schemes such as aggressive hybrid, mid-cap and healthcare fund and co-manage the dividend yield fund. Our goal is to provide a sustainable long-term wealth generation along with being responsive to the ever-evolving market situation. In this segment, we'll be talking about the mid-cap fund category. Now, according to economic estimates, India GDP is set to more than double over the next 7 years from somewhere $3.54 trillion to $7 trillion. Strong demographics, manufacturing, consumption, policies, etc., would be the few of the drivers for this growth. Now, in order to capture these opportunities, Midcap Fund provides a unique investment landscape. If one looks at the mandate of this fund, minimum 65% needs to be invested into mid-cap companies. Now, what are mid-cap companies? They are nothing but companies which are ranked from 101 to 250th in terms of their market capitalization on the stock exchanges. So if we look at these mid-cap companies, they are present across variety of sectors, thus providing a broader market exposure. If we look at the business life cycle of these companies, mid-cap companies are still on a growth phases and these are not matured businesses. So by investing into mid-cap fund, it allows investors to tap into the potential market leaders of tomorrow. In fact, there are several companies which are present in the mid-cap space which are already market leaders in their respective segments. For example, India's largest hotel chain or pizza brand or a shoe brand or even the staffing agency are mid-cap companies. So, if one is to evaluate, mid-cap companies are potential long-term wealth generators. It allows the investors for high growth and invest into emerging sectors as well as for diversification in one's overall equity holding. Our fund uses a bottom-up stock picking approach. We try to identify companies which are with a stable business model which over a long-term period of time will be ultimate winners in their respective segments. Our fund focuses on companies which have market share gainers, the companies which have a healthy either a cash flow generation from operations or free cash flows and ultimately provide a sustainable long-term earnings growth. Our aim is to capture these unique opportunities and things which can be better played through the mid-cap category. To conclude, mid-cap fund provides a better investment opportunities. It is well suited for investors who want to diversify their portfolio and capitalize on growth of this mid-sized companies. However, as with any investment, it is crucial to do thorough research and know one's risk tolerance and investment horizon before investing into any of the funds. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.